Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the GBox on iOS and Android. So this works in 2026. So what we need to do is go over to this website. So it's called hexmods.com. So let me just type it in right here. So this is the website, guys, where we can actually get the GBox app for our device. So I'm going to go and I'm going to type it in. So let me just put it in right here. And as you can see, guys, we have it. So it has over 200,000 downloads, which is insane. So I'm going to press the download button. And before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. So what you need to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, additional files are required. So what we need to do is download 2 of these apps. These are the additional files. So you can see we got Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. We got Mo Casino. TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. So like this one says install and open. And then we got Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. So you just want to make sure, guys, that you do 2 of these apps and you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get the GBox app onto your phone, guys. 2026 method, and it is super cool. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get it. So as long as you download 2 of the apps, you should be all set. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So it's pretty crazy, but it actually works. And by the way, if we go to the App Store and type in GBox, you guys will see it does not come up. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here, and you guys will see the nightmare. So as you can see, guys, it's not here. It's just this one, which is not it. So yeah, super dumb. But yeah, be sure to try it out, guys. If you want to get GBox on your phone, iOS and Android 2026, this actually works, guys. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool. And I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe if you guys want to get it. This is super amazing and it fully works, so you guys can use it. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And it's updated and everything. So you can see right here we got it. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. And the only thing I can really say is make sure you go to settings and keep that background app refresh turned on. Should be all set. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So if you want to get it for free, be sure to try us out. It's super cool. And I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to see if it works, guys. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So yeah, guys, if you want to get the GBox app on your device, definitely go ahead and try us out. And I'm going to see you later.